Edit Photos. In the Data window, click on the Edit Data button and then click on the Edit Photo icon that's beside the Photo tab and edit your photos. Enhance. To enhance or do color correction on photo, select the photo and go to the Edit Photo button and select the Enhance option. Select the BCG option. In that, you can adjust the brightness, contrast and gamma of the photos. Adjust the brush size and the feather of the correction tool from here. Keep the Control key pressed to activate the correction mode. Keep the Shift key pressed to revert the correction. You can load the original image or use the Reset All button to reset the changes. From the RGB option, adjust the red, green and blue value of the photo. With the help of the Curve option, you can enhance and color correct your photo very easily. Use the Load Original button to load your original photo. With the help of the Level option, you can adjust the tonal range and the color balance of the photo. With the Blur option, give blur effects to the photo. Colorize your photo with the Colorize option. Use the Color Picker tool to select any color from the entire screen and apply it onto the photo. Adjust the opacity of the color and color level from the Opacity and Level options. Reset the changes from the Reset button. Apply Feather effect from the Feather option. Adjust the opacity of the photo from the Opacity option. From the Crop option, you can crop the photo. Also, select the Landscape or Portrait option as per your photo orientation. Select the desired ratio from the Aspect Ratio tab. To do freehand cropping, just uncheck the Maintain Aspect Ratio checkbox and crop like this. Define the width and height of the photo from the Width and Height option. The actual DPI of the photo is displayed here. Select the units from the Units option. Load the original image. From the Rotate option, you can rotate the photos plus or minus 45 degrees. Adjust the angle of the photo. Uncheck the Show Grid checkbox to remove the grid lines. To see the changes, use the Before and After button. After applying all the changes, click on the Save button to save the changes over the existing photo, or click on Save As to create a copy of the photo. Give the file a name and click on OK. Chroma. To give chroma effects to your photos, select the Chroma option from the Edit Photo button. Pick and drop the Color Picker tool like this. You can also adjust the feather and tolerance of your photos. Adjust the brush size and the feather of the correction tool from here. Keep the Control key pressed to activate the correction mode and apply the correction. Now keep the Shift key pressed to revert the correction. To save the changes done, click on the Save As button. Give it a name and click on OK. Lasso. To use lasso cutting on photos, select the Lasso option from the Edit Photo button. To apply lasso cutting onto the photo, select the part. Now if you have selected an incorrect part, just right-click to come back. To remove an unwanted layer from the selected part, click on the Invert Layer button. To see the changes, use the After button. Save it by giving it a new name. Change background. To change the background of the photo, select the Change Background option from the Edit Photo button. Select the background to be changed with the Color Picker tool. Adjust the feather and tolerance from here. Give the new background to the photo from the New Background option. Select the color from the color palette. Here you can see the new background. Adjust the brush size and feather of the correction tool from here. Keep the Control key pressed to activate the correction mode and keep the Shift key pressed to revert the correction. Now save the changes done. Give it a name and done.